So just a quick one today. This is a key off a 2013 Ford B-Max, and it's one that we supplied actually about 3 years ago, brand new. And when you press the button, that's all it does. It's absolute rubbish. But it's terrible, and you can feel it. It just doesn't. The mechanism is all not very good. The lady who was using this got stranded. She couldn't use a car, and the AA had to come out and rescue her. So that's something to look out for on this Ford flip key. Not very good, Ford. Okay, so we've opened up the key, and we'll move the case out of the way so we can show you what we've found. And the reason it doesn't work is that this little piece here has broken off. This piece here is oh so strong for design engineers. Well done. A marvellous piece of engineering, that. And because that little bit there has fallen off, there's your trouble. So this is a hole where the pin goes in and out, and the pin holds the blade into the blade holder. And what we found on this key, which is a little bit interesting, that, I don't know if you can see that, the pin there is sticking out already. But I think what's happening is the pin is fouling up on the case here, and it's catching. So if you have a quick look, it's trying to get past it, and it's catching. And as soon as you get it past the case, it goes fine. So we're just going to squeeze that pin back through. Okay, so we've put it into a new case, tightened it all up with the screw. There is a whole video on how to do this, but we're just showing you how we finish the job up. Pop the battery in, and then pop the cover on to finish the job up. It doesn't have Ford written on it, but we think it looks okay. It looks pretty decent. And that's it. So if you want to know how to do the whole job, just watch out for the link for the video. Thanks for watching. We're just going to cut this key blade, and then the customer will be good to go.